In the remote, frozen north of Russia, beyond the Arctic Circle, lies a place of profound mystery. It doesn't look like much from the surface, just a rusted metal cap, bolted shut, blending into the desolate landscape. But this isn't just any cap. It seals the entrance to the deepest hole ever drilled by human hands. It is known as the Kola Superdeep Borehole. In the 1970s, the Soviet Union launched an audacious scientific mission. Their goal was simple, yet monumental: to drill as deep as possible into the Earth's crust. This wasn't a search for oil, gas, or precious metals. It was a pure scientific endeavor. They wanted to understand what lay beneath our feet, miles below the surface we inhabit. They began drilling in 1970, a project that would consume the next 2 decades. The drill bit ground its way through layers of ancient rock: granite, iron, metamorphic stone, each meter a victory against immense pressure and heat. But the deeper they went, the more the Earth defied their expectations. The known models of the planet's crust began to break down. At around 7 kilometers, they anticipated hitting a layer of basalt rock. It was a fundamental assumption about the Earth's structure. They never found it. Instead, they drilled through more granite, but it was different. Shattered, fractured, as if under unimaginable stress. The surprises continued. At 9 kilometers, they made an astonishing discovery: water. Not groundwater near the surface, but superheated, mineralized water trapped within solid rock formations. It was under immense pressure, forced out of the crystal structure of the minerals themselves. Then came another shock. Buried miles deep, they found microscopic fossils, tiny marine plankton preserved in rock that was billions of years old. How did they get there? But the greatest challenge, the ultimate barrier, was the heat. As they descended, the temperature rose far faster than predicted by geological models. At just over 12 kilometers, the temperature soared to 180 degrees Celsius. That's 356 degrees Fahrenheit. Their equipment wasn't designed for such extremes. The drill bits warped, the instruments failed. The conditions became too hostile to continue. After nearly 20 years of relentless drilling, they were forced to stop. They had reached a depth of 12,262 meters. Over 7.6 miles straight down, it remains the deepest point ever reached by human technology. They couldn't go further. The Earth itself had pushed back, its internal furnace too intense. So they sealed the hole. They capped it with that heavy metal disc, and they left it. Today, the site is abandoned, the building's crumbling. The cap sits there, a silent monument to a journey into the abyss. Beneath that cap lies a world unseen, a place of crushing pressure, unimaginable heat, and profound mystery. No camera has filmed it, no probe has explored its deepest reaches. The Kola Superdeep Borehole didn't just reveal rock and water. It revealed the vastness of our ignorance about the planet we inhabit. We have ventured further into the vacuum of space than we have into the secrets buried beneath our own feet.